Hi, good afternoon. This is Alli Maddox with Compass, and today I'm going to give you a virtual tour of 853 Currant Trail located in Norcross, Georgia. This home is located just a couple miles from 285 and Jimmy Carter. It's close to shopping and parks, and it is in a new community. This community was started being built in 2017, which is when this home was built. And this is the first home when you turn into the neighborhood. It is a corner lot, so you only have the one house on the left, and you get the backyard and a little additional side yard. So give me just one moment here and we will start our tour. So this is the view from when you walk into the home. First thing that you notice are the hardwood floors. You see the stairs to go upstairs. And as you walk into the living space, you can see it's got ample windows. The home gets a ton of natural light. It's an open floor plan, so the living, dining, and kitchen are all open. You've got a wood-burning fireplace. Over here, you've got your dining or eat-in kitchen space. You also have a breakfast bar here too. So depending on how the home is laid out, you could also have bar stools there as well. And in the kitchen, you'll notice that there are granite countertops, dark wood cabinets, and also the stainless steel appliances. All of the appliances, including the refrigerator, are included. Got good countertop space and cabinets. And then right here behind this door, you've got a pantry. This door right here leads to the two-car garage. Here's the view from the kitchen to the living area. And then you've got a half bath here downstairs as well. There's that side yard that I was referring to earlier. Let's go upstairs. So a couple of the updates that the seller did when they purchased, they upgraded to the wrought iron spindles, and they also upgraded to the hardwood floors upstairs. This floor plan has a bonus area, loft space, where it's great for a sitting area or also an office, kids' play area. And the first room that we come to is the master bedroom. The master is a great size. You've got tray ceilings and a ceiling fan. And this is actually a California king in this room, and as you can see, ample space in here. You've got double doors to the bathroom where you find a shower, an oval soak-in tub, double vanities, double sink vanity, and then also a walk-in closet. This home is also equipped with dual zone for heating and cooling. You've got one thermostat in the master, and then the other one is down in the family room. Another upgrade that the sellers did when they purchased this home is in all of the upstairs bathrooms, you have ceramic tile versus linoleum. And we also have the ceramic tile in the laundry room, which fits a full-size washer dryer comfortably. Here is the secondary bathroom right here, which has a shower tub combo. and it's really close to the other secondary bedrooms. Here's the first one. This faces the front of the neighborhood and the front of the house. And it's got a nice deep closet here and then storage up above. And then out in the hall, we have a linen closet right here, and then the other secondary bedroom. They're currently using it as an office. Both of these front bedrooms have vaulted ceilings, so it makes the rooms feel very big. And then this closet has another walk-in closet. This home was built in 2017. So it is what I like to call better than new. The seller has already put in the fencing for the yard, the grass in the backyard, and all of the systems and the roof, everything is just 3 years young. So please don't forget to drop a comment in to win $25 gift card to DoorDash. And if you'd like me to send you this virtual tour so you can look at it at your leisure, please let me know. Or better yet, if you'd like to view this home in person, please give me a call and we can set up that appointment. Thanks so much for touring with me today.